Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering up your Xbox and the display. This is necessary so settings populate. Once done, confirm the TV is in game mode and that the HDMI connection is direct or through a certified AVR. You want a clean signal path because auto low latency mode depends on the display reporting its state. Make sure the console is updated because firmware often adds or fixes ALM support. Then move to the Xbox settings to locate display options. Now go into Settings and navigate to TV and Display options. You need to enable the features the TV uses to switch modes. Select Video Fidelity and enable the highest supported resolution and refresh rate because ALM sometimes needs a compatible mode. Then allow variable refresh rate and other HDMI features so the handshake can negotiate correctly. Once these are active, the Xbox will advertise its capabilities to the TV. This is how. Finally, verify that auto low latency mode is actually engaged by looking for an on-screen indicator or checking the TV's input settings. The console won't force it without a proper handshake. If it doesn't switch, restart both the TV and Xbox to reset HDMI negotiation and try an alternate HDMI port or certified cable. If problems persist, update firmware on all devices and test another display to isolate the issue. Those steps usually reveal whether the TV, cable, or console is blocking ALM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.